Benefits of tea for detoxing. You will come across a surfeit of methods for detoxification. Not all methods are healthy and safe for you, and therefore, you have to be careful when selecting a method. One of the most effective ways to detox your body is with tea. There are many different types of teas available that you can use for detoxification. These include green tea, oolong tea, sencha tea, and most importantly, red tea. As you would know, regular tea, or chai tea, as it is known in popular lexicon, is a popular beverage around the world. Many people around the world don't start their day until they brew a cup of tea. The popularity of the beverage hinges primarily on its lower caffeine content, as compared to coffee, and the feeling of freshness it provides. However, these are not the only reasons why tea is great for detoxification. You get a number of health benefits by drinking tea on a regular basis, which includes increasing the quantity of antioxidants in your body. Antioxidants are soldiers in the battle against toxins. Plus, it keeps your system from deteriorating due to age and environmental factors. Tea contains less caffeine than coffee. Herbal teas, in fact, don't contain any caffeine. Even other types of teas don't contain more than 50% of the caffeine content of coffee, making them a superior option. Tea is great for your heart health. Numerous studies and researches have shown that you can reduce the risk of stroke and heart attack by drinking tea on a daily basis. It is the perfect hot beverage for people at risk of cardiovascular health problems. The pH level of your mouth improves when drink a cup of tea. This effect can reduce the risk of tooth loss, and improve your smile. Some forms of tea are particularly known for being great for digestion. People dealing with digestive distress are often advised to drink green tea or chamomile tea. As long as you don't add any milk or sugar, tea is calorie-free. Tea is the perfect substitute to water, if you are tired of the bland taste. You will find tea available in a variety of flavors, which makes it a great choice for improving hydration without sticking exclusively to water. Keep in mind that this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are many other health benefits to be had from drinking tea, depending on the type of tea you opt for. Coming back to the point, drinking tea is a great way to detoxify your body. There are two steps to daily detoxification: refreshing and cleansing. Refreshing refers to the process of restoring the electrolytes and other nutrients your body loses as a result of the cleansing process. Cleansing, as is self-explanatory, involves cleaning your colon by filtering out all the toxins and waste that builds up within your system at the end of the day. Tea can perform both these functions effectively, though you might have to opt for two different types of tea. For example, the tea you drink in the morning should be refreshing, contain the nutrients your body needs as well as have high electrolyte content. The tea you drink for cleansing should be efficient at detoxifying, removing all harmful elements via your colon. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.